Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching this video today. We're going to talk about one of the most popular products here at Bentley Capital Ventures. By the way, my name is Nick Bentley. I'm the managing partner here at Bentley Capital Ventures, and we're going to go over unsecured business financing. We get a lot of people that call in our office every single day asking about this product because it is so attractive with the unsecured, and I want to explain that to you guys and how that works and how this specific type of product is a unique tool that we use for business owners, mainly in a starting position. A lot of people call in and ask about startup capital or a startup loan, and unfortunately, there's really just not anything available out there with any type of lending institution for startup. You need to be in business for a minimum of 6 months, and you need to be generating a minimum of $10,000 in monthly revenue to get any type of capital. But there is a very unique product that is proprietary that we use to leverage a business owner's personal credit for the purpose of securing business credit cards. So let me tell you how this product works. We do use personal credit. We will pull your personal credit. It needs to be 700 type. What does that mean? It means you need to have less than 30% of your credit available in usage at any time. So if you have a $10,000 line of credit, you need to have $3,000 or less reporting at the time of the credit pull. You need to have a mortgage on your credit reporting in good standing, or 3 major credit cards that you haven't gone late on in 2 years. No BKs, no tax liens, no judgments. You got to have good credit to qualify for this product. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. You can't have more than 3 inquiries on your report in the last 6 months. So they don't want people that are fishing for credit, and you need to have a solid foundation. So there's not really a credit score requirement. It's more of a credit makeup, which determines whether or not you're eligible for this loan. So in speaking about loans, it's actually not a loan. Okay, these are revolving lines of credit issued to you from the bank. Now, the way that this product works is if you get approved for this type of product, you're going to be issued a spotter. Now, the spotter's job and what we have are unique relationships with regional banks. Now, regional banks have different underwriting guidelines depending on the region. So, based out of where we're from, Tampa, Florida, Bank of America Tampa could have different underwriting guidelines for a specific type of business credit card than Bank of America Los Angeles or Bank of America Austin. So we really leverage those relationships because we actually have the underwriting guidelines. Now, in fact, we are going out and we're going out and getting these cards in your names for you. And a lot of people ask, well, why can't I just go do that myself? And the reason why is because we have the underwriting guidelines, and some of these regional banks, you can't have certain amount of inquiries on your report, or you can't have something outstanding when you go to a Regions or a PNC. And we know how all of these banks work. So you're really leveraging the knowledge and experience and relationships of our spotter when you come into this product. So there's a lot of benefits to this product. The main benefit is we are able to secure up to 100 to 125% of whatever your whatever your balances are on your personal. So if you have a $10,000 available Visa, a $5,000 available MasterCard, and a $5,000 available Amex, that means you have $20,000 of available credit on your personal. We can get anywhere from 100 to 125% of that in the business name only, reporting to your business credit. So it doesn't report to your personal credit, which is beautiful, because if you go and you start, buying a lot of things for your business and you're rolling over some of the balances, well, if you guys know anything about credit, if you have a really high balance on your credit card, it could crush your score, especially if you have 700 type credit. So it's not going to do that. So the 0% interest is key, and it's going to be reporting to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. And so it's going to be building up your business credit. There's a 48-hour turnaround. You basically submit the application. We take a look at the credit you're approved or you're not approved. It's that simple. It is only an application. There's $0 out of pocket. Okay, and that is key. This doesn't cost you anything to go ahead and get approved. Now, there is a 7 to 9 point success base fee. And what does that mean? Basically what it means is we pay our spotters based on whatever you're available to get. So if we can get you $10,000, $700 of that's going to be put on the cards once they're in place, because you are leveraging that relationship, and you're paying for that type of service, for the relationship, the knowledge, and the actual underwriting guidelines to ensure that you get the highest approval amounts. So we've had people that have gone out and tried to do this themselves, and they can't get near as high as the limits as we can, because of the relationships. That's what business is about. So once approved, we'll go out, and our spotter will go and we'll get cards in the business name, and you'll start receiving your lines of credit from each regional bank within 10 to 14 days. So, this is a really, really good product that we use for startups. It's a good product that we use for any business owner that really just wants, kind of like a rainy day check, just in case something happens. A lot of people come to us and get $50,000 or $75,000 in unsecured credit if they're in the growing stage of their business. So very, very popular product. But I do want to make one thing very clear. This is not a loan. Okay, these are revolving lines of credit that we are using your personal credit. And we're using your personal credit in an effort to build your business credit. So for startups, it's beautiful because you do start off with a solid foundation. So I do encourage you guys to come to the website, BentleyCapitalVentures.com, and check out some of the other products that we have available that we can help you get money for your business. And of course, you can always call us at 855-249-2050. One of our senior funding managers can basically tell you within a few minutes whether or not this is something that's going to work for you, or whether or not, if there's any other financial products that might make more sense. So thank you for taking